Welcome back guys. For today's review we'll be checking out the Xmini N95 PC by AIOEXPC. This compact PC is mini in size but definitely doesn't feel like it, so without any further ado, let's get into it. In the box is the N95 mini PC itself, as well as a mounting bracket, one HDMI cable, one power cable with USB-C connection, plus the user manual. Weighing in at only 0.47 pounds and 3.46 inches on each side with a height of only 1.57 inches, this is very easy to pick up and take on your travels. And on the bottom are 4 rubber feet to help keep it in place, with the power button being on the front, and on the right hand side you have one display port and 2 HDMI 2.0 ports that all support 4K at 60Hz. The left hand side has 3 USB 3.2 inputs, with the back having dual Ethernet inputs supporting 1000 megabytes per second, and also the power input as well as one audio output. And by having air vents on 3 sides, it definitely helps with keeping it cool and not overheating. When it comes to the inside, the Xmini has built-in dual-band Wi-Fi 5 and an Intel N95 CPU with 12 gigs of RAM and 250 gigabytes of storage, which can be expanded up to 2 terabytes of SSD. With the Xmini being so small, it's great for not taking up loads of room and can be also mounted behind a monitor for out of sight and cleaner setup. This has Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, and once you go through the setup and select the relevant options, you are up and running in no time. After a small Windows update, I was able to go on YouTube and see how it handled some 4K content. Although your internet speed can play a part, I thought it handled it very well. Playback was smooth with no visible issues. On top of the Xmini is their logo that also doubles up as a touch button for controlling the different lighting modes, which is great as this will be going into my son's bedroom gaming setup and will not look out of place. The Xmini is a great solution for anyone looking for an all-around PC that can handle most common tasks, from browsing internet, documents and simple video editing and media playback. This has you covered. It was also perfect for my son to do his homework and also do some casual gaming. And when it comes to gaming, it was really easy to use the built-in Bluetooth to connect to a PC controller, and as this PC isn't powerful enough to handle AAA games, I did find it handled streaming games very well. My son spent some time streaming Fortnite and said he really enjoyed it. As you can use the DisplayPort and HDMI connections to 3 separate displays, I used my love of home cinema to connect it to my projector and see how it would handle if I ever needed it to be a home theatre PC. And I have to say it worked a charm. I was able to play back 4K content with high-res audio with no problems at all. I think the Xmini is perfect for anyone who wants a plug-and-play PC experience, ideal for everyday tasks and getting my son into the world of PCs. It's now easier for him to complete his homework and enjoy some gaming after he's finished, and at the time of recording this is currently only $159.99. So a big thank you to AIOEXPC for sending this out and sponsoring today's video. All links will be in the description, and as always, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.